luxury lighting manufacturer from Hungary, Europe. Our story begins in 1981, when we started procuring and collecting antique luminaires. Soon, we began also manufacturing lamps and became the specialists of brass lamps in Hungary. The stylistic varieties of wall lights, ceiling lamps, table lamps and floor lamps were set into different categories according to their style. We've been producing classical, Art Nouveau and Art Deco luminaires since the beginning, and what's more, we have added modern-style luminaires too. Our luminaires are handmade with greatest attention to detail, using high-quality materials such as brass and industrial silver for welding. The luminaires are topped off with glass shades made Murano way, which give the lamps that distinctive Patinas look. Depending on the finish and customization required, handcrafted production takes around 20 work stages and requires highly specialized knowledge and expertise. We are happy to support interior designers and architects with 3D models of standard and custom-made luminaires. We are naturally aware of the importance of environment protection and recycling. This is of great significance, especially during packaging. Our luminaires can be seen in many locations throughout the world. We offer around 800 luminaires, which are exclusively made in our manufacturing unit in the center of Hungary. We're very proud of our design and style, but most of all, we take pride in the dedication and precise craftsmanship of our artisans. With our lamps, your future looks bright.